Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, I hope you all are fine and doing well. I am Samari Jaws, your English instructor, and this e-lesson is for grade 1. So in our today's class, we are going to discuss grammar, and in grammar, we are going to discuss the alphabetic order. So, do you know the alphabet? That is A to Z. These are the letters that are included in the alphabet from A to Z. So I hope all of you remember ABC. Now alphabetic order. Alphabetic order means to arrange the letters according to the alphabetic order. That is to arrange the letters in the sequence they are coming in ABC. Like, we have got a word awful, and we have got a word beat, then we have got a word call. Now, in order to arrange these words in the alphabetic order, what we are going to do? We are going to see the first letter A, B, C. Now, which letter comes first in ABC? It's A. So that is awful will be our first letter, first word. Then B, then C. First, second and third. So this is our alphabetic order. Now let's come to a little bit tougher example. There is a word mango. Then there is a word orange. And then we have got, let's take another fruit, apricot. So, as I am saying about ABC, in order to make them in alphabetic order, we will start from A. Which word is starting with A? Apricot. As you can see. So this will be our first word. Now let's read our ABC. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. As you can see, then we have got M. So our word mango is starting with M. So this will be our second word. M, N, O. Then we have got third O. Now apricot, mango, orange. You mostly see that whenever we are arranging names, we write them in alphabetic order. That is starting with the A. The person name who is starting with A comes first in the list. And the person name starting with Z is the last. So this is our alphabetic order. Now let's take a tougher example. We have got a word apple. Then we have got another word that is annoyed. Now, as I have taught you that the first letter, we checked the first letter and it was A in this case. So now what we are going to do? We are going to move towards our second letter, that is B, and this is N. Now let's revise our ABC. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. So we have got N first. We have not got P yet. So annoyed will be our first word, and then in order to arrange them in order, apple will be our second word. I hope this is understood. Now let's move to another example. We have got word can and call. First letter C, that is checked. Second letter A, that is also checked. Now what we are going to do? we are going to move towards our third letter to see and to arrange them in alphabetic order. N and L. Now let's revise our ABC. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. We have got L first, M, N. So now when we are going to arrange them in order, how are we going to write? Call will be on the top and then it will be can. So friends, this is our alphabetic order. In order to arrange the letters, what we have to do is to simply read our ABC in our mind and then arrange the letters. As we have got A first, the word starting with A will come in the first place. Then B, this is B, so this will be second. And then C, call. So students, now let's take another example and arrange the words in alphabetic order. Here you can see we have got group of animals. Now if I ask you how are we going to arrange them in alphabetic order? As I already told you, for alphabetic order you always have to revise our ABC. Now let's see. E, T, L and N. First of all, let's mark our first letters. These all are different. Now let's read our ABC. A, B, C, D, E. So E is coming first. That means the word elephant will be on first place. Next, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. So our word loin is starting with L. So it will be on second place. L, M, monkey. N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. So tiger will be our last word. So in this way, we have to arrange the words in our alphabetic order. This is the alphabetic order. I hope this order is clear to you. Now let's move towards the exercise for further explanations.
Alright students, so now let's move towards our exercises. Open page number 155 of your Oxford Discover student book. Now, I am sure that you have understood what does alphabetical order mean. Now, over here, let's move towards exercise F, alphabetical order. So words in a dictionary are in alphabetical order. So you have consulted a dictionary, right? So if you give a closer look, you will find that the words written into the dictionary are in alphabetical order. So we start by looking at the first letter of the word, alright? Like if we have different words, we are going to give a look at the first letter of that word. As you can see over here, the examples have been written for us like apple, bird, symbol, drum, elephant. If you see, the first letter of each of these words is with blue. It is to make an emphasis on it that we are looking at the first letter. Now if you see it here, it is apple A, bird B, symbol C, drum D, elephant E. So it is in alphabetical order A, B, C, D, E. Alright, now write the words in the list in alphabetical order. If you see here in this chart, there are some words given to you. The first one is done for us, and that started with A. That's why it is written in the first column. The first word is awful. Now we have to look for the second word. Now let's see if there is a B. Over here, is there any word which starts with the letter B? Remember to look at the first letters of each word. For first word is fast, beat. Here, see, we can see the word beat. It is starting with B, so it is going to come the second. Beat here, awful, and then beat. Now let's give a look at the letter C, if there is any letter C. So do you see a letter C, kids, here? Right, we can see a letter C here as well. So we are going to write it in third position. Now what comes after C? D. Now let's give a look at the remaining words. Is there a D as a starting of the word? Beat, slow, and fast. We have two words. We have no D. Now E. No, we don't have E as well. F. Yes, we have the F here as well, which is fast. So we are going to write fast in the next column. So students, here you might have noticed that while writing the words in alphabetical order, we didn't wait for the letter E and D to come. We just picked the word and the letter which was available. So what we have to do is that we have to look at the letters and the provided words. We just have to put them in alphabetical order. So we will keep on saying A, B, C, and whichever word is available, we are going to put it in the list, whatever is going to come next. I hope that you have understood this and you will be able to do it as well. Alright students, so this is the end of our lesson. I will see you into the next lesson. Till then, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.